G'day and welcome to the channel. I'm V-Dubbed and how you doing? Today's video is about getting the parts together that we need to get the Kombi ready to go over the pits and get registered. So no surprises, it failed miserably. As I said, the indicators didn't work, the lights didn't work, and in fact when they got it up on the lift, the amount of oil it was leaking, although the motor ran very strongly, it was just leaking oil from all over the place. And so I spoke to Pat, the owner of Pepco, and he said if I could buy the parts, get them cheaper, he's happy to just install the parts, and he was willing to work with me on the project, which is why I chose him in the first place. Yeah, so I put in an order for some parts, and this is what's arrived. Right, so we're going to do an unboxing video. Let's see what we got. Okay, those are the bumper brackets. That's the other one. These must be the bearing kits. 2 of those. This will be the reverse switch. Indicators. Look too small. The tip for the engine lid. These are the rear seals. And rubbers for the pedals. CD boots. The number plate light. CD boots, screws, wheel nuts, rear light, front indicator seals, rear seals, front indicators, instrument clutch, rear bumper irons, reverse light switch. It's all here. Alrighty. So those parts you've seen I got from VW Heritage in the UK, and they were shipped to me. I didn't get any video of it, but I needed a front bumper and a new front windscreen. I was lucky enough that there is a place here in Perth that I wouldn't say they're a scrap yard, but they do have old VW parts, and I was able to go there, and they were able to give me the front bumper with all the rubbers and the fittings, the bumper brackets, which was very fortunate because those are quite difficult to get now. And it was in pretty good condition, not too bad. So I've got that as well. And at the same time, they also had another windscreen. My windscreen, although it wasn't cracked, it had big chips in it, and the cracks were just starting. And Pat said to me that that wouldn't pass over the pits, and that I needed a new windscreen. I suppose had I done it myself, I might have taken it to one of those shops where they inject the resin into the glass. But the price was pretty reasonable for a second-hand windscreen, which was in good condition. So I bought that as well. So that's what I've been doing. And I've got all those bits together now. So the next step is to take this all down to Pat and let him install it on the vehicle. All right. Thanks for watching. God bless and take care. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.